स्टूडेंट टाइप स्मार्ट काम करो, सब्सक्राइब के साथ साथ बेल आइकन भी दबाओ।
Hello guys, welcome to Manwar. So today's video is all about the TISMET 2021, that is nothing but the management aptitude test. So as you already aware about the major changes in TISMET 2021, so in this video we'll talk about what are the surprising element in TISMET. So stay tuned with me to grab each and every detail about the TISMET. So in case if you wanna crack the TISMET 2021, then you can join the TISMET pilot batch, which will be start from the 28th December onwards. So you can call and book your seat on 8828581455. So as it is the last batch, so you will have the last opportunity to enter into TISS. So coming to our main point, that is the TISMET. That is nothing but the management aptitude test, and it is compulsory if you are applying for HRMLR and for ODCL program. So the TISMET include the 4 sections. The very first one, the comprehension. That is nothing but your reading comprehension, all about the basic understanding with respect to the organizations. So in that you have to face 10 questions for 10 marks. The second thing, that is the management data interpretation. 15 questions will be there for 15 marks. The next one, the business awareness, 10 questions out of it for 10 marks. And the last, the surprising element, that is the descriptive writing. So you have to write on any of the topic, and that will be for 15 marks. So overall TISMET comprises the 50 marks. So marking system says for each correct answer you will get +1 mark, while for each incorrect answer you will lose 0.25 marks. And that is not considered in descriptive writing. So overall the time duration is for 45 minutes. So this is the pattern for TISMET. Now how much weightage for the TISMET? So during selection process, these all are the parameters will be considered. The very first one, TISMET has the weightage of 30%. Your TISMET will be has the weightage of 40%, and for OPI 30%. So overall 100%. And friends, note down this thing, TISMET will be included in the second stage. That means last year you has the pattern like TISNET, then TISMET, then the second stage will be the pre-interview test and the personal interview. So now the first stage will be the TISNET, second will be the TISMET if you are applying for HRM and ODCL program, and the OPI. And for other courses, the first stage will be TISNET, second will be the TISPAT and the OPI. So friends, here I mentioned some of the tips with respect to the TISMET. So the very first one, you have to enhance your shortcut tricks, because friends, you also have to handle the time pressure there, because in TISMET you will get around 35 MCQ questions and also one descriptive question for only for 45 minutes. So you must have the time handling capacity. That's why increase your shortcut tricks, increase your typing speed, which will help you in the descriptive writing. Focus more on the reading comprehension and DI section, because here you can maximize your marks in TISMET. So in the reading comprehension, marked up all the basic understanding with respect to the organization, so you can easily understand the overall management literature in the TISMET. The second thing, that is the DI, the management data interpretation. Now in this you will get the data of an organizations, so you have to interpret it. So marked up all the graphs and charts, all the formulas, so you can easily interpret it. Now very most important thing, that is the PST studies. That means your political, economical, social and technological studies. You have to adhere to the current scenarios. That is nothing but your current affairs. So friends, focus more on the current affairs with respect to the business sectors, with respect to the organizations, what are the current changes in the organizations. So learn all the basic understanding of the organization, what are their flow, what are their strategies, what are their supply chain, how their management works, the decision makings. So you must have some basic understanding with respect to all these factors. So friends, due to the descriptive writing, now the time management will be the task there. So focus more on the RC and DI section, because there will be no sectional cutoff in the TISMET. Now for descriptive writing, you have to enhance your typing speed, the very first one, and the second thing, that is your PEST studies. Now with respect to the business awareness, these all are the important points you must keep in mind. The overall business sector. Now what are the recent issues related to the organizations, all the mergers, acquisitions, trade unions, with respect to the labor laws and all the major changes in the organizations. So overall recent changes in the organization, not only the top organization but some of the organization which caught the attention in 2020. For example, some of the companies which makes the tremendous growth even in this COVID situation, some of the sanitizer making company such as the Ramsons. So friends, these all are the tips with respect to the TISMAT. Just note down all these tips. So friends, overall, whatever the courses you wanna choose, these all courses are unique. So let's prepare for the TISNET. Join Manwar online program. Get all the stuffs, live lectures, full course, books, mock tests, sectional courses. So call on 8828581455 or you can visit at manwaredu.com/MBA entrance. And you can also call on these respective numbers. So thank you very much guys. All the best for your career. See you in the next video.